Hi guys, you're welcome to this step-by-step guide on how you can buy ton on your Gate.io account. It's very easy to do. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. So let's get started. Guys, the first step you have to take is to make sure you have some USDT crypto in your Gate.io account. And to confirm that, you have to go over to your assets. So let me tap on assets. As you can see right here, you can see where it is written USDT. You can see my USDT balance. I have 37.35 USDT. So guys, once you've confirmed that, what you have to do right away now is to go ahead now to buy the ton. And for you to buy ton, you have to tap on where you can see trade. You can see it right there at the middle right there down there. So let me tap on it. So guys, right here, this is where you're going to be able to buy ton. The first step you have to take now is to change that cryptocurrency pair. You can see where it's written GT/USDT. You have to change that cryptocurrency pair to ton/USDT. So let me tap on it now to select it, to change it up. Let me tap on it. Then what you have to do now is to go ahead now to look for ton/USDT right here. You can see there are various cryptocurrency pair right here. You can see them. So let me go ahead now to look for ton, or you can use the search icon at the top to search for ton/USDT. Let me tap on the search icon right there. Then let me type in ton, TON. Right there, guys, you can see the top search result right there. You can see ton/USDT. So let me tap on it now to select it. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the cryptocurrency pair has changed now to ton/USDT. What is there before was GT/USDT. So now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see buy. You can see we have both buy and sell, but the one you have to tap on is buy since we want to buy ton. So let me tap on buy. Then the next step now you have to take now is to tap on where you can see limit. You have to change that limit to market. So let me tap on limit. You can see smart market right there. That's the second option. So you have to tap on it now to select it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see smart market has been chosen. The reason why we actually chose smart market because we want to actually buy ton at the current market price. You can see the current market price right there, 3.179 USD. You can see it right there. That means 1 ton is going to cost us 3.176. You can see the price is actually changing. It's going to cost us that for 1 ton. So now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see amount. You can see where it's written amount. So let me tap on it. So what you have to do now is to impute the amount of ton that you want to buy. You can tap on where you can see amount ton. So let me tap on it. Then you can impute. Let me say we want to buy 10 ton. Let me tap on 10. So guys, now you can see it right there. You can see I've imputed 10. So after you're done imputing it, now what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see buy ton. You can see it right there. So let me go ahead now to tap on buy ton. And in case you want to buy the maximum amount of ton with the USDT that you have, what you can simply do is to use that slider right there. You can see you can either use 25% of your USDT or 50% of your USDT or 75% of your USDT or 100%. Because the 100% is going to give me 11.76 ton. So that's what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to tap on buy ton. So let me tap on buy ton real quick. Let me tap on it. Then let me go ahead now to tap on confirm. Let me tap on confirm. So that's now you can see it's loading. Wow guys, you can see I've successfully now bought ton from my Gate.io account. So guys, this is how you can be able to buy ton from your Gate.io account. The next step you have to take now is to confirm if actually you've bought it. So let me tap on assets again. Let me tap on assets right there. So guys, now you can see I now have ton. You can see right there written ton. You can see the ton logo and you can see my ton balance 11.748. You can see it right there. So guys, now this is how you can be able to buy ton in your Gate.io account. From here now you can decide to transfer it to whichever wallet they want to transfer it. So guys, this is how it's done. See you in our next upload. Bye bye, peace.